I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
And today we are right here in Frisco, Texas, and we're getting ready to get into this beautiful Southgate model home and give you a tour. Now, if this is your first time on our channel, we are local real estate agents that specialize in all things new construction in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So, if that sounds like something that you'd be interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that bell, so you're alerted every time we do a video.
Yeah, and don't forget to give us a call, text, or email. Whatever you got to do to get a hold of us, just get a hold of us.
Absolutely, and the best way to do that is go ahead and click on that dream home form. That's linked below in the comments as well as in the description. So, without further ado, let's get on inside and show you this beautiful model home. But also, stick to the end because we're going to go over a couple pros and cons from someone that actually lives in Frisco, Texas, and kind of tell you the ins and outs on what's going on in this lovely community.
Yep, so let's get going.
Absolutely. about you, Patrice, but that model is fantastic.
It is.
Let us know what you guys think below. But if you stayed this far to the end, then you deserve some pros and cons. So we're going to go ahead and give you a couple.
That's right.
First, I would say a pro is the tax rate here in Frisco, Texas.
Yeah.
It's one of the lowest around. It's just right at around 2%. Compare that to the DFW area where it's going to be anywhere from 2 to 3%. So you don't have any pit or mud or anything like that right here.
right.
So it's from a value standpoint, that's really great.
Another pro, as a mom, is the amazing school district. You just can't. I mean, the schools around here are fantastic.
Did you guys hear that from a mom? Like the fathers don't have any.
Well, it's kinda
We care about schools too,
They
right?
do,
Am I
they
right,
do.
dads?
I'm sorry. Yes, I apologize for
That's
that.
awesome. And then another pro is you are right, hot skip and a jump to that new PGA headquarters,
Literally
which is going
across
to
the
have
street.
all that good stuff. So this is a really good community as far as that's concerned. Now, cons. Let's talk about cons real quick. And this could be a pro or con. It just depends on your flavor and what you like and what you're looking for. But
right.
this is what Patrice and I refer to as a boutique community, meaning that it doesn't have like the event coordinators and the lagoon or the big catch and release ponds and all the activities, tennis courts and all that good stuff. It's more of just a straight up old school, nice, just community, right? Neighborhood. I don't. So that, I guess, from a lot of our clients' perspectives, can be considered a con.
That's true.
And then also the price, right? Frisco, Texas isn't the cheap, good old days.
No, not at
Frisco,
all.
Texas is number one place to raise a family, number one place to buy a house, number one. And with that comes.
That's right.
Cha-ching.
But you're right in the heart of Frisco. I mean, you are next to everything. You're literally a hop, skip, and a jump from the Dallas Tollway, and just kind of anything you need to be around, grocery stores and everything. So it's a fantastic location.
Absolutely. So this is a good option for you. If it is, make sure you hit that dream home form. Like I said, we specialize in new construction and all things Dallas, Texas real estate.
That's
so
right.
until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.